Oh, g'day. How's it going? It's Marky here, with a bit more nature time. You wouldn't believe what I found this time. It's not every day you come across these. Here, check it out. See that? That's one of Australia's most deadly creatures. It's what's known as the Gomersall Grasshopper. Yeah, that's right. It's a Queensland native. A real dangerous bastard. On the back of his legs, he's got these real sharp spines. Tries to dig it into you when you catch him. See how I go here? If I squeal in pain, it's because they've got this neurotoxin, a venom, very similar to the Meninga cane toad. Righto, here we go. By handing. Got him. See, I grabbed him by the spines there. I'm going to have to flip him over because if he jabs me with those, I'm gone. The neurotoxin in these spines, like I said, is very similar to the Meninga cane toad. Now, in the early 90s, the Meninga cane toad was responsible for one of Queensland's worst rape and murders. A fella by the name of Barry Meninga licked one of the Meninga cane toads, got it envenomated with that neurotoxin, same as on those little spines there. He went into a hallucinogenic rage and raped and killed a girl in 1991. The dirty bastard. And these fellas here, the Gomersall Grasshoppers, are as much of a pest as they are. That's why I'm going to have to off him. Now, if you're a bit squirmish, look away, because this little fella is going to have to go. Otherwise, my kids are in danger. Look out! Oh, jeez! There he goes. Whoop, get him. Whoop. He shed one of his legs. He's after me. He's after me. Whoop, he's getting away. Get him! Whoop. Got you, little bastard. Lucky I'm fast. Now, like I said, I've got to off him, eh? Just hold on one little minute there. The best way to do this, decapitation. Now, I learnt this on an Islamic State website. Now, he's not going to hurt anyone anymore. Whoop, he's trying to... Oh, he got me too. You little bastard. Oh, I better get onto that straight away, folks. Off to the hospital. I'll see you next time for more nature time with Marky.